Hi, I'm Katie, and today I'm going to do something a little bit different. It's a new year, and my brand new lucky box just came in from Beautylish. I'm so excited to open it, so I thought I would open it on camera and share it with all of you. Here we go. Okay. Haha. It's been a while since I did a video. I know, moving and life's been crazy. But I'm glad to get back to it in 2023. So one of my favorite things to do is mystery boxes. I love getting, fun boxes of new things. And makeup, of course, is one of my favorite, and Beautylish makes one of the best mystery boxes. And every year they do one, they call it their lucky bag for the Lunar New Year. And that's what came in today. So here we go. We're gonna open it. So you can see I haven't opened it yet, still sealed. We're gonna see what's in it. Okay, here we go. Open it up. If I can get the box open. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So right inside, they have a special paper that they have an artist do every year. And I'll look up and see which artist it was. Let's see if it says on here. It does not say. It says, now more than ever, we want to celebrate community and connection. This year's Lucky Bag design is dedicated to you, our global community. We hope the surprises inside serve as a reminder that we're all in this together. And that's what it looks like. Okay. Let's open it here. I'm trying to do this quietly so you don't have a lot of cacophony to hear in the background. Okay. It looks like everything is wrapped inside this bubble wrap right here. So let's see. Okay. I got the bubble wrap open. All right, so now I'm gonna reach inside and pull out my first goodie. Ooh, MOB Cream Clay Blush. I've been wanting to try this brand. I'm excited. This is in the color, let's see. Can I see it without my glasses? I cannot. Cream Clay Blush Refill. The color, I believe, is the number over here, and it is M73. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, pretty. That's a nice color. A cream clay blush. That's an interesting texture. Ooh, very nice. That looks good. I'm excited to play with that one. Their packaging is really cool, and I spy here in the bag the case for it. So the idea with this company is sustainability, right? So you have these refillable packaging, and then you just plop in your you have to open it properly first. There we go. So we have to we open it up, and then we plop in our product and snap it together, and there you have it. And then when you're done, you take it out, and you only have to throw this component away. And then I know that this packaging is compostable, and I think they're working on some of this packaging being compostable, which is really cool, right? It's just makes lessening the stuff in the landfill so much better. So I'm excited to have that. Let's see what's next. Ooh, we have a Wayne Goss lipstick in Daisy. This looks cool. Here we go. Okay, in Daisy. So very nice, the Wayne Goss lipsticks. I have a few of them, and I really like them. That's a pretty color. Let's see what it looks like swatched on my hand. Oh, nice peachy pinky color. Fun. I like that one. Okay. And then we have a R&Co High Dive Moisture and Shine Cream in a full size. I think, was it the last time? Maybe it was the time before. I've used this in a trial size before, and I really like it. I like this one. It's not too strongly scented. I had some trouble with fragrances, so I like this one. I'm excited to try it. It works, and it works well with my thin curly hair. So, okay, let's see. Good Molecules Glycolic Exfoliating Toner. This one might be good. I have sensitive skin with rosacea, so I'll have to be careful, but I'm happy to give it a try and check out the ingredients and see if it's something that I can use. If not, I will pass it on to somebody that can. Oh, I see a palette in here. I'm excited. I'm excited. Do you see what this says? I got the Natasha Denona Glam palette. How exciting is that? Oh my gosh. Okay. I have to open it. Okay. This is what it looks like. I have been wanting this one and I have been putting it off because it's pricey. Looks like this. Aren't those pretty colors? A lovely neutral palette. You can do all kinds of things with it. Ooh, I'm excited about this one. Yay! I would say I got lucky with that one for sure. And then in here we have, ooh, a Sonia G brush. She makes lovely brushes that are made in Japan. A nice pointed crease brush, if you can see that there, hopefully. Very nice. Oh, I love her brushes. I think I am getting lucky indeed, for sure. Okay, ooh, we have another Wayne Goss product, the Essential Lip Pencil in Mauve. I don't think I have this one. That's cool. Nice. Let me swatch it on my hand here for you. Pretty, right? That's going to be a good combination, that lip liner and that lipstick together. That's really pretty. I like that. And that's it. That's what I got in my box. So I'm going to look up the prices and see what everything is together. And we'll see how much my box was worth. But in my opinion, I got lucky. I think this was definitely worth the cost that I paid for it, for sure. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I looked everything up and wrote it down, and I indeed did get lucky. So let's start with what I paid for my lucky bag this year. I paid $75. I just got the original regular size box. I know that they make an extra large one. I didn't look up the price on that one, but it costs more, of course. You get more stuff in it. They also have some separate ones that you can get if you want, like Jeffree Star and stuff like that. Otherwise, they don't include that brand in this one, which I appreciate for reasons. So let's go over what I got. So I paid $75, okay? So let's start with the big one, and that is the Natasha Denona Glam Palette. This palette retails for $69. Now, the stuff that they send is not stuff that, you know, is going out of stock or is going away or is, you know, just random leftovers, right? Like they may be like some overstock or something that they need to move so they don't expire, but they're regular items that you can again then purchase later, which I really appreciate and I really love, because if I fall in love with something, I appreciate that I'm going to be able to get it. So yeah, $69. So that's almost what I paid for the box anyways, right? So cool. And then we have the Sonia G brush. This is the Fusion Eye Detail brush. I looked it up. That's what this one is called. I'm very, very excited about this one. It is so soft, so nicely tapered and shaped and well made. And I love brushes. As a makeup artist and a makeup lover, I love brushes. So this brush is $26. Okay. Then we have our Wayne Goss lip liner, which came to $14, and his lipstick, which is $28. The blush and the compact are priced separately because you just buy the refill. So the compact is just $5, and the blush is $23. The R&Co High Dive Moisture and Shine Cream. This is a hair product. One that I do like. This is the 5 ounce size. This one is $34. And then this one here, this is the Good Molecules Glycolic Exfoliating Toner. I'm excited to look into this one and see how my skin handles it. It looks like from the ingredients that it'll be something that I can handle. And I love a good exfoliating toner. So I'm excited to try this one. And this one is $14. So if we add everything that I got in my box together, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items, adding up to $213 at regular prices. Not on sale, nothing like that, right? So the $75 that I paid for the box was definitely well worth it. I would say I got lucky. If you want to see any tutorials with me using any of these things, how I would use them, I think I might just do a full face of what I got, because I got a blush and a lipstick and the eyeshadow palette. So look forward to those videos. Please comment down below. I'd love to know if you got one and what you got in your box, if you liked it. I would say from the perspective of a makeup lover, but not someone that has a huge collection. I have a large collection. I will admit I love makeup and I have a lot of it. I don't have any of these things already. The only one that I had tried was this hair product, and I really like it. So I would say I got lucky, and I really, really enjoy this box. And a happy new year to you all, both in the Gregorian calendar and in the lunar new year. I hope that you have a great year ahead, and thank you so much for watching my video.